is Fox and today I will show you how to create this nature's goddess look. Let's start by creating the ears. I'm using a clay mold for my base. Just mold to your desired shape, cover it with latex and let it dry. Heavily powder your ear before removal so it does not stick to itself. Grab medicinal tape, aluminum foil and scissors. Get creative and make your own antlers. The foil will be light enough to stick to our head. Tear a piece of foil, roll it up, push together and make a base to your antler. Compare size and length so they both are similar, but remember that nothing in nature is identical. Give it a better curve and continue building the antler by adding smaller pieces of horns using less foil. Repeat until satisfied with the result. Afterwards, cut up some pieces of medical tape and wrap around the antler until fully covered. Try to follow a pattern so it looks more natural. As you can see, I placed the pieces diagonally. When you reach the base, cover only the front part, not the one you'll glue to the head. Time to paint. I used water-activated body paints, a golden cream paint and some brushes. Pretty easy. Dip a brush in water, cover with paint and color the antler. I suggest 2 cones of paint if you go my route. Use black color and smaller brush to deepen creases and shadows, as well as dip fingers in the cream paint and stroke along the front and back of antlers to add some light. I will be covering my breasts, so I need to create a base for the real leaves that will stick to my body. I cut a plastic bag to the size required and also thought of the decorations for the covers. Use whatever you please. I added some feathers and ladybugs as well. To make sure all fits, measure according to your chest. I ended up cutting the base in half to keep free body movement. Let's put it all together. Hot glue is your best friend here, but be extremely careful. It works best when very hot, as we are working with natural materials. Decorate with whatever you can find in the forest or garden and however you want. It's all up to you. Hot glue the base of antlers as well, as it will create a smooth surface that will stick to our heads. I picked up some forest goodies to decorate my body with, and using the same technique I hot glue a base that will easily glue to me. Note that you can skip this and use just spirit gum, but it will not be as secure. Nature is wild and our hair will also be that way. Find a crimper and crimp the hair. Best to do when hair is dirty for extra natural protection. Makeup time. Put your hair away and bobby pin behind the ears because we started with the ears again. Spirit gum the outer sides and put on your real ear. Press it down a little and let dry. Cover the outer part with latex so it is more secure. And then prime your face. Use a white pencil to outline the spots where you will put the antlers. Put some foundation on the bottom part of your face, the nose and also the ears. Now I'm taking the white cream paint and with my fingers applying it under my eyes and on the cheekbones. With a clean spoolie, I brush through my brows and glue them down. Please use non-toxic glue. Continue to apply the white all over the eyes, brows and up to the forehead, as well as a little bit by the ears. Now taking the darkest concealer shade, I make a base for the contour. Take a fluffy brush, the white shadow from the Beauty School Dropout palette and set the cream. With the same concealer shade, darken the middle of the forehead. With a fluffy blending brush, I take the cupcake shade and put it under the eyebrow and on the cheeks as well. Blend and build up the color until the desired intensity. Using the brown shade from Cool Neutrals palette and an angled brush, draw a cut crease. Follow the guidelines that nature has given you, the natural eyelid crease shape. Bring it forward just a little bit. Then with the brown from Beauty Dropout palette, blend the top part of the line and down towards the cheek. Pick the dark shade from the contour duo and another blending brush and deepen the contour as well as on the forehead. Blend everything with the cupcake shadow one more time. Now taking white again, cover the cream parts one more time and blend the contour on the forehead. From the Cool Neutrals palette, pick the shimmery white shadow and put everywhere you want to have some more shine. Use a bigger flat brush for cheekbones. And blend with a clean, fluffy brush. With the same shadow, highlight on top of the brows towards the center of the face. Set the ears and rest of the face with some finishing powder. Now I'm taking the pigment called Brighten Up and put it on my brows together with the shimmery Roll-On Magic and go on top of cheeks and eyes as well. Highlight the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose as well. Illuminate the forehead even more and add some pigment. Pick the green shade and add to the ears, contour and bring it down the ears as well. Add to the forehead around the antler part. Now deepen and lighten parts of your body. This is very optional and open for improvisation. I added some more color to my darkest spots, put more shine on top and highlighted the shoulders afterwards. Back to the eyes with some green eyeliner. Draw a contour on top of the eyelid and 2 lines underneath, as well as a few dots. Adding some more pigment and light to the body. Then I put in some contacts and put on some mascara. Then green falsies that you can easily make yourself. Paint some falsies with green mascara and let them fully dry. Finally, glue on those antlers with some spirit gum. After the antler has stuck, decorate the base of it using some leaves, spring flowers, or anything else that you want. Ta-da! Let's finish those lips with a gorgeous green shade and the same 2 shiny products in the center of the lips. Put some final decorations on your body we made previously, and you are ready to go outside as a goddess. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.